Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys a lot. But if you guys are new, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So today's video is a super exciting one. It's another eyeshadow palette tag videos, and you guys know how I feel about eyeshadow palettes. Like, is it a news to anybody? No, I absolutely love them. So I could not leave this tag at all. This tag was created by Morgan Turner. I will leave her video in the description box below so that you guys can watch that out too. But today's video, did I even tell you what is today's video about? So today's video is an eyeshadow wardrobe tag video. So which eyeshadow am I grabbing towards on what occasion? So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So the first question was, which eyeshadow palette do I think of when I think of date night? And I personally, whenever I assume of date nights, I immediately grab towards my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. And this is the eyeshadows that I'm wearing on my eyes today. I absolutely loved the way it turned out, and this is my Scorpio look. So if you have not watched that video, I'll leave it on the iCards above. But I absolutely love everything about this eyeshadow palette. The colors and the tones that has been chosen in this palette, it's absolutely magical. It's colorful but subtle, and me and my husband have been married for now, it's gonna be like 7 years, and when your husband does compliment on your looks, that's when you know it's something special. And I have multiple times like heard, and he's not a person who would like, you know how it is, right? So he's not the person who would be like, oh, you look beautiful. Not on like every day of my life, but when he does, and he's done that multiple times with this palette, that's when you know it's special. So this is super special to my heart, and I can like count on it on like any occasion for that matter, but date nights for sure. So the second question was, what palette comes to your mind when you think of wedding? I did not do like loud makeup or anything like that. I had like a nude lip on and a little bit of eyeshadow and a glimmer. But I feel if I would be doing my makeup again, I would definitely gravitate towards my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. If it is your wedding, or if you're going like a wedding guest, I feel these tones are so appropriate. When you see this palette, all of a sudden you'll be like, oh, that's colorful. But if you just take off these 4 shadows away from this corner, I mean, I can wear every other shade like every day of my life. It has some beautiful like rose golds for the wedding, champagnes, golds, every neutral color that you can ever think of is available. And this eyeshadow palette like blends beautifully. You've seen me wearing this eyeshadow palette like in multiple videos of mine. I absolutely love it. This is the palette that I definitely lean towards when I'm going for any special occasion for that matter, because I can definitely trust on that this is going to give me the beautiful look no matter what. So this would be like my wedding palette. So when I thought initially of the wedding palette, a lot of like high-end expensive palettes came to my mind, but you actually do not need an expensive palette. This would give me all the expensive looks in the whole entire world that I can dream of. So why not, you know? Now the next occasion was girls' night out. Now, it's been ages that I've gone on like a girls' night out. I think the last time that I went was like 2 years ago. Because with one child, you can still think of going to like a night out. Now with like 2 kids and coronavirus, like, I feel it's not going to happen anytime soon. But if I'm going for a girls' night out, I'm definitely looking for like pinky tones, mauvey tones, burgundy tones, you know, or like fun pop, like sparkly shades, and one eyeshadow palette that I can count on to be creative, mad, you know, fun is Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I mean, this inspires me to do all the fun looks in the entire world that I want to do. And there's not one eyeshadow look that I've created with this palette and I'll be like, never. I mean, I have loved all the looks that have been created, and that's basically because of the shadows, not because the talent that I have to create eyeshadow looks. You know what I mean? So I absolutely love, you guys know how much I love this palette. I've done 5 looks with one palette plus so many more looks on my channel. I would definitely link it in the iCards below. You can definitely check those out. So the next question was, what eyeshadow palette comes to your mind when you think of vacation? Now, when I think of vacation, I don't think there's any other palette that comes to my mind, just because I think I've traveled with this so many times, and I'm talking about Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. What else can you want from this palette? I mean, you can do some beautiful neutral looks, colorful looks, bronzy looks. I mean, this is everything that I need in a palette when I'm traveling. If you want to go like modern, subtle, elegant, or fun, crazy, I mean, you can do tons and tons of look with this palette, and I absolutely love this for that reason. And this will definitely be my vacation palette. The next question was, when you think about graduation. Now, I graduated out of my college when it was 2010 when I graduated from my college, so it's a long time ago. So it's been 10 years now, and I don't do much. When I think of like graduation, I'm thinking of like soft, sophisticated looks, but with a little bit of shimmer too, because it's like celebration, you know. And one palette that comes into my mind is like ABH's Sultry palette. If you want to go on an affordable version, I feel Milani's Soft and Sultry palette. I absolutely love this palette. It's some beautiful neutral tones that you can have with this palette, but great shimmers. I love the quality that is offered in this palette. So when I thought of graduation, I thought subtle, soft, but sparkly. And this offers everything that I need. So Milani's Soft and Sultry palette. So the next eyeshadow palette is for Christmas. Now, my look always keeps changing on Christmas, but when I am going for that Christmas look, I'm basically looking for like fun greens or golds or reds. And I feel this Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette is such a fun, this Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette is such a fun palette to have in your collection. It offers some beautiful greens. It has a beautiful gold in this palette. You can go with like those reddish tones, but if you want to go like neutral and girly and stuff, this is such a fun palette. And don't even get on the formula. It's amazing on such an affordable price. I absolutely love this palette. So the next occasion is for birthdays. And when I thought of birthdays, I was like, am I going to a child's birthday party or is it my birthday? So we're going for my birthday because it's my video. I can do whatever I want. So excuse me. So when I was thinking about like eyeshadow palettes for my birthday, I am a warm tone person, and I immediately thought of my Masquerade Mini palette from Juvia's Place. So the Masquerade Mini palette offers such beautiful warm tones, and you guys know how I feel about warm tones, and the shimmers are like unreal. This would definitely be like the fun palette to have in the collection if I'm going for my birthday kind of a look. But how can a birthday be complete without shimmers? And when I think of shimmers, I just think about one palette, and that is Urban Decay's Moondust palette. And this offers like 8 beautiful shimmers for any occasion. So I would give me 2 palettes for my birthdays, and that would be Moondust palette as well as Masquerade Mini palette. The next occasion is for office. Now you guys know how I feel about like office palettes. When I think of an office palette, immediately I want a palette that is like small, portable, but with like options of neutrals in it, and none other palette comes into my mind other than like Wet n Wild's Glamour Squad palette. This is small, it's affordable. The shades that are included in this palette is like amazing. I've traveled with this palette for like tons of my office trips. So when I think of like an office palette, I definitely think of this palette, and I can count on this shades no matter what. I love the quality. And if you guys don't know, this is a dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I will leave the video that I did using this palette in the iCards above, so please do check it out. So next occasion is for like running errands or for everyday look. For everyday look, I basically use my ColourPop shadows. So this was like a 4-pan shadow that I have like depotted, and I've filled all my ColourPop shadows in it. So these are all my single shadows. This is basically what I use for like everyday. All the warm tones, pinky corals that I tend to use in an everyday life is that. And the other palette that I use is like ColourPop's Yes Please palette. This is a well-loved palette, that's why it's dirty. But these are the two palettes that I like, it comes across my mind when I go for like an everyday look. I basically am looking for any shadow palette that I do not have to think when I'm applying it on my eyes, and ColourPop does it for me. So the last occasion is for New Year's, and I thought a lot about like New Year's occasion. I was going back and forth with that Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, but I feel when I think of New Year's, a lot of sparkly shimmers come into my mind, and what else to put on. And I am like a person of neutral shimmers, if you guys don't know, but I feel these Pat McGrath small shadow palettes, and this specifically is in the shade Sublime. These shades are like crazy. It is so beautiful when you apply it on your eyes. I am such a big fan of it. I leave the video that I use these palettes in the iCards above, so do check it out. That eyeshadow is like one of my favorite eyeshadow looks that I've created. I absolutely love each and every shade in this palette, and it's for $14 right now on their website, so snatch it if you haven't already. And that was my eyeshadow wardrobe tag video. So if you guys do like eyeshadow palette tag videos or eyeshadow palettes in like general, please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I've done an office video using this palette. I will definitely leave. Vicky, you have to sit here. You cannot walk.